it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I have a new video for you. I am going to be taking you through the Indie Canada Expo and kind of putting you on a tour of what it's like there. So we're just going to be driving up to Toronto and you can see all of the cool stuff happening in the Indie Expo. I was so excited that I finally got to meet Sherry from Paint It Pretty Polish this time at the expo. If you watch my channel, you know that I do reviews for her, so it was really exciting to actually get to meet her and make that connection because I've been reviewing for her for a while and I've never actually met her. So it was nice to put a face to the name finally. She's really sweet and really great, so you should definitely check out her Paint It Pretty Polish nail polishes. They are beautiful, so definitely check her out. I definitely enjoyed the Indie Expo a lot, even though I spent a lot of money, but I've only been once, so I was tempted by a lot of the nail polish, but I kind of went around to each stall and then I went back to see what I really wanted, so I was trying to be careful about what I spent, but I definitely enjoyed it. It was a great experience. I got to meet all different new brands that I've never heard of, so I would definitely go if you get a chance to go, because it was a lot of fun. And yeah, there's just so many nail polish brands that I never heard of, and then I actually saw some that I had heard of, so that was great to actually see a lot of the nail polish brands in person, because sometimes you mostly just see them online and you don't ever see them in person. So it was definitely a great experience if you are into nail polish and you live in Canada, I guess near Ontario, because it's kind of far for some of you guys. But yeah, I even got to meet one of the YouTubers that I actually make YouTube videos on Tuesdays with, so that was pretty great to meet her. And yeah, so I definitely enjoyed the Indie Expo. So this here is where they did a bunch of different tutorials that you could attend and kind of learn different things. I know they were doing a little bit of a stamping nail art tutorial, so they featured different things on how to stamp. They had the Uber Chic mat, which I have, and I think they had some, I think it was Uber Chic stamping plates and different stuff, so it was pretty cool. If you don't know how to stamp, it was a great way to learn. And then they also had a silent auction that you could sign up for and win some nail polishes, but you did have to stay till the very end, so I didn't end up doing that. But it was kind of cool. You could auction for some pretty nail polishes. So there was a lot of different stuff there, so I'm just kind of showing you around what they had. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I liked all the different elements they had in the Indie Expo.
Yeah, sorry. No, that's okay.
After the Indie Expo, we kind of went a little bit around Toronto, and then we grabbed some lunch at Wahlburgers. This is owned by Chef Paul, and it's in partnership with two of his brothers, Donnie and Mark Wahlberg. So that was pretty cool. It's actually pretty good. But yeah, so that is all I have for my Indie Expo Canada tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing kind of what it was like in going in there and behind the scenes. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.